This is a Century Ultra Sport. It's a cab high unit. Fits the 2019 Chevy 5.8 bed. Has a third sliding windows in it. That's a standard option for this cab. The picture window in the front. It is satin steel gray is the color. Picture window in the front. The bird poopies there. Sliding window in the side. It's a third slider that comes standard with the third slider. It's made by Century. The Ultra has the slam latch rear door in the back. It is G9K satin steel gray. They come standard with the fuse box for your brake light and your dome light. Screens in the side windows. Bare fiberglass is the standard interior option. They clamp down. Clamps are included in this kit right here. They clamps down through these holes that they're used for shipping rails as of right now. Comes standard with a dome light and a brake light. It's an LED dome light. It's Ultra Sport for the 5.8. GMC's Silverado, Chevy Silverado 5.8 bed, 2019 and newer.